Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Lee Jin Shorts. Sissy, why do you have to take shower before going out? Sinbui, have you seen my clothes? I see, and I took it. Sinbui said to Sissy. Oh, right now, the two of them keep teasing each other. What about my clothes too? It's not taking, but it's stealing, Sissy said to her. This is my little surprise for you for the Chinese Valentine's Day roleplay. You like it? I really can't listen to you. Sissy said to Bui, either come out like this or I'll go in. Choose one. Hurry up, we're going out soon. Oh, finally, Sissy said to her, you came in. Well, she knows what will happen next. She knows that Sinbui will never stop teasing her. She don't give what she wants to. Sinbui and Gumensi. They're both really tricky to each other. After finishing, three of them finally on the mall. Did you two have an argument at home? Why are your face so red? Don't mind so much right now. Legend said I don't know what to choose, so I asked you to help me. Main thing is help Sinbui help me. You, mortal, definitely don't understand yourself. In fact, Sissy gave me a very nice Chinese Valentine's Day gift. Let me think about it. Seems that Muxi, she already has everything. The only thing she might be missing is, Sinbui said to her. Well, it really makes sense now by Li Jin. She has some idea to do it. Muxi, I hid a Chinese Valentine's gift here for you. Guess what is it? Xiaojun even picked a gift for me. If you can fit the palm of your hand, then it shouldn't be big. Not big but not small either. Not too big, not too small. It's hard to describe it in terms of size. It's a bit hard to guess, Muxi said to her. Right now, Bailey Jin suddenly grabbed her and get closer to her. Well, this girl, she know how the tricks now. Even closer to her and said to her, the gift that I wanted to give you most is, right now, she hugged her tightly and she is comforting her. Bailey Jin said, whenever you are sad, helpless, I will hold you tightly with these hands. I will stay for you and never leave you. Oh, that was really the sweet things. Now, after saying this, she really hugged her tightly. Looking at the two of them, they really fought sweet. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Legend will come back regular chapter after 2 weeks, so let's wait for it. Thank you, bye.